Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
What's up, Cufflinks family?
Welcome back.
Welcome, guys. Oh my God, we love you, we miss you, and we're so happy to be back with another video. Welcome back to our channel, Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire.
We're still fun.
We're still inspirational.
We're still real.
And we're still educational.
Yeah. But you don't know we're there.
Yes, we're here, and
we are here.
Yes, we're here, and today it's all about giving you a life update. We know you haven't seen us for a few weeks.
Yes, Marcelia is just coming back from war, as you can see.
Well, this will be a part of the life update that we're about to give you to just let you know what's been happening with us individually and collectively.
We see the comments, we see you asking
see the
where we are, we see you calling for us to come back. Baby, come back. We don't know no more.
He doesn't normally know the lyrics. But yes, guys, so this is a life update for you. If you're new to the channel or you're just coming across our video for the very first time, I'm Basilia.
And I'm Brian.
And we have two beautiful daughters, Bria Marie and Bella Renee. And we are the Cuffs. And yes, we're here in Jamaica. And today we are just giving you our family, or Cufflinks family, or tenants in the building.
Tenants in the building!
A little update on what's been happening with us. So first of all, work.
And we're not Rihanna.
No, a whole heap of work. So you see me all dressed. We just finished filming a commercial. We've been doing...
Stop telling people send me film them not. Sure.
We've been doing
it's all
a lot of
She's
work.
A crazy one.
We've been doing a lot of work where commercials and ads are concerned. So that has been taking up majority of our time. And for those of you who are here in Jamaica, you may have come across one of our latest commercials, which is on national TV. It's me and Brian's first commercial together. Yes, I've been in other commercials, but this is the first one that we're in together for Flow.
See people at my bus. Taxi.
Yes, we're so excited about that, and very soon we'll be showing you some behind the scenes footage of that whole process and what it was like. But it was fun. It's the Flow Cuff Christmas commercial that is running now on local television, and I'm sure you'll come across it on social media, etc. very soon. But that was fun.
Yeah, it was.
Yes, it really was.
I'm usually on the other side of the fence when it comes on to shooting. I'm behind the camera producing, seeing the vision, and just being there. It was weird because, like, even one time I remember saying, all right, so can I see what was just shot? And the DP looked at me like, you want to see it? And I'm like, oh, I am just a talent.
Just a talent.
Yeah. So it was interesting. You know, we were able to see different persons as well. We were able to work with an amazing producer/director. Well, producer and director, and the production team.
From Admar.
Right. And watching Elaine Thompson-Hira on set doing something different was quite an interesting phenomena as well. Yeah.
So we'll be showing you a whole heap of footage as it relates to what happened on that day as we,
Hold on. You say who? Elaine Thompson-Hira. You don't know Elaine Thompson-Hira? Alright, watch this. It's a picture.
Yeah, guys. So that's one of the projects that we've been working on, and that has been completed. But in between that, we have been doing individual things. So for me, I've been doing a lot of emceeing gigs and other content creation.
Hosting.
Yes, hosting, emceeing different functions for government and for corporate. And I've also been doing
Quick informative piece. So somebody may say MC versus host is the same thing. One just has to do with more corporate and what's the word? More not one is more relaxed, MCing, you know, hilarious, relaxed. Any function you can have an MC. A host is more in the corporate setting that is more, what's the word I'm looking for?
composed, poised.
No.
I don't know.
So one is more relaxed and one is more the opposite of relaxed. It's
And one is more formal.
formal, that's the word.
Okay,
No
okay.
sense, you know.
Patting me like a dog.
One is more formal. That's
Okay,
it.
okay. So I've been doing a
And she
lot
does
of
both.
that.
Yeah.
Yes, and I've been doing other content.
But I did
creation.
some hosting recently.
Yes.
I do.
Yeah,
host.
we're coming to you. We're coming to you. And I've been doing other content creation for other companies, etc. And Brian has been busy with work and with hosting as well. What else have you been doing? I went first and I was waiting for you to go next.
I've just been busy, guys. Life has been busy.
And the
you know,
girls,
yeah,
the girls have been doing a lot.
The girls have been living, and when they live and enjoy all of their lives,
Yeah.
we are busy. PP Club behind them, you know,
Yeah.
supporting their dreams. Bria is in dance, Bria is in science, Bria is in what else?
Dance, science, and whatever else she does at school during the days. And we just got
Reading.
over exams
Right.
for Bria, so we were very busy where that was concerned. And overall, the girls, the schedule with the girls has been very hectic, you know, early mornings and sometimes late evenings, and then homework, and then dinner, and then getting them
Like in a
ready.
blink,
It's time for bed. And so we've just been doing a lot of work. And for those of you who may follow us on other social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you will see some of the things that we've been doing. But we really wanted to just update you guys on, you know, just a little bit of what we have been doing offline. I know some of you miss us online, and we miss you too. And yes, we're coming back with some new things.
So look forward to some things in December. We're
Yes.
going to be doing things a little different in December, and we're going to be catching up with you. And we're going to be having some other people on the channel too. And we're probably going to be on some other people's channels
You
too.
never
So
know.
watch out.
We're not saying we're not coming back until December, you know.
No.
We're just saying that, you know, from here on, we'll continue to give you content, and in December it's going to be a little bit different from what you normally see from us.
We're going to be doing
But
something
it's-
we've never done before.
Yeah, it's going to be exciting, very exciting. And let me see what else. We are also thinking of doing over our montage, right? And we want to find out from you guys what you'd love to see in the montage.
Because if you realize the girls were very small.
Very young, yes. So
That
we
was
are
what? 2 years ago?
2 years
Over
ago.
2 years,
Yeah. So we're aiming to do over our montage. So we want your input. We want to find out, you know, what you'd like to see, etc., so that we can, you know, consider it when we do that shoot. And we're also working on some other things individually and collectively. We're not letting out anything out the bag just yet.
Tell us who you would want to see us collab with.
Yes,
Or
yes,
who you
yes.
think we would collab with good. Because there's a difference, you know. You want us to collab with everybody, but then
Yeah.
when the person, you know, you have to have the dynamics.
So we're looking into some collaborations as well. So drop in the comments those who you would, the channels or persons who you would possibly want us to collab with, and we'll see how possible it will be.
And for those who are following us on IG, you'll realize that Basilia has been signed by a management team.
Yes.
So, more information on that in coming days, man.
Yep. So we have
we've been
what do you
moving
call
on.
nice things coming in the next few days and weeks to come, you know, the rest of the year, and we'll be filming some, you know, some exciting adventures as well. So we're excited about that. And yeah, we just wanted to give you a quick update on what's been happening with us. And we're looking forward to what's to come over the next few days and in the next few weeks and leading into the end of the year, over into 2023, God willing. So, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying here with us. And this is our live update, Cuff Style. And we look forward to seeing you in the next video. So make sure that you like, share, subscribe, leave us a comment for the questions that we asked. And we'll see you in another video.
Yeah.
Bye.
Think we should tell him about the time? I mean,
Don't tell him anything.
no, you think we should tell him that we're leaving?
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they're bringing some light.